Breaker 19, you're tuning in only for trucks. Come on back, brother. Please subscribe, brother.
All right, now we're recording.
Oh, man. Man, this guy. What are we going to do with this guy?
I'm a bad filming guy.
I know you guys seen this
I'm the
already.
kid. We already talked about it, but go ahead, Joe.
So we got Locks and Messina, we got Hart, Eddie, and the Cruisers. But apparently this guy couldn't hear it anyway because he had all kind of ear protection.
Earplugs.
And the ear mutts, or mitts, what are they?
We're not going to say what he is. He's socially challenged.
It's legal in Jersey, all right? Talking about smoking weed? No, I didn't. Not yet.
No, being a little challenged. Little challenged.
Little challenge. What are they called?
Earmuffs.
Muffs. I was mutts. Mitts, mittens, muffs.
Muffs.
Yeah, muffjunkies.com. slide it to me.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now, I'm trying to pick my end up and kind of walk it over so you can make. Or should we come over slide more there? I'm just trying to keep
No, I think it should be geared right here and then just pick it up and then like walk it that way.
I'm just trying to think.
The left fork is, yeah, that's it.
Because if I slide too far, there's nothing close. Like if I keep sliding this
Oh,
around, that corner's gonna fall down.
oh. So we need to walk it. Or
Yeah.
and then we'll go along or what?
Yeah, or I can cheat by sliding this.
It's gonna come up that way.
Yeah, I can hold it, so.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, I can. That's good. All right, hold that actually.
Okay.
So now I'll start to hold mine right.
Okay.
See what that gives us. Hold that, please. There it comes.
Hang on. The road you're gonna have to, hang on. Whoa. The door is opening on the side here, catching on the carriage up below. But it's closed
So we
now.
gotta come to me. Now, right?
Hey, not too far.
Now I'm just starting to offer my own.
Okay. I'm just fucking happy as being shit with it, so I think it's amazing.
Well, guys, as you can see, we have a bunk on the back of the 351. Both Diane and I were pretty excited to just get it sitting on there and take a peek at it and see what it looks like. So, as we thought, it looks super cool. As you guys, watched a little bit ago here, we got this frame nice and hot steamed and pressure washed, and a good friend of mine let us borrow that. So, big thanks to him. But this thing's cleaned up. Now we could jack it up, get the wheels off, start taking it all apart and going over it. Hopefully we can get Jesse back up here shortly because he's got to get cracking on this Peterbilt. In the last video you guys saw, the dump truck, the 359. We need to get that thing fired up. I attempted the fuel pump myself and I failed. So Jess, you got to get on that. But moving forward, we got to get this thing off, up off the ground and get it apart. My dad's R model also needs some attention. So does his cab over. So coming into the new year, we have a lot to come, a lot going on because we got shows to make it to, and we're not making it isn't an option. So. You guys will be watching, we'll be doing it. We're gonna get out there and we're all gonna hang out. It's gonna be great. So I think that's gonna wrap it up for this one. I don't really have too much more. We're trying to get in and get some sleep. But she's cleaned up, she's ready to rock and roll, and we're excited to keep on it. So thank you guys for watching. Do what you do, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and out.